I recently partnered with a brand for this F20 Pro Hi-Fi music player. As someone who has spent years listening to high-resolution audio through dedicated digital audio players, portable DCs, and premium headphones, I was eager to test the F20 Pro Hi-Fi music player. After several weeks of daily use, I can confidently say that this device delivers exceptional audio quality and features that rival many higher premium competitors in the portable hi-fi market. The heart of the F20 Pro is its dual ESS 9018 DAC configuration. For audio enthusiasts, this is one of the most important specifications because of the digital analog converter significantly impacts sound quality. The dual DAC architecture provides excellent channel separation, lower distortion, and a cleaner signal path. In practical listening tests, I noticed outstanding clarity, impressive detail retrieval, and a wide soundstage that brought my music collection to life. One of the most impressive technical capabilities is support for DSD 512 playback. Many portable players support DSD64 or DSD128, but DSD 512 compatibility demonstrates the player's ability to handle extremely high-resolution audio files. Whether listening to FLAC, WAV, ALAC, or DSD recordings, the F20 Pro reproduces music with exceptional accuracy and transparency. Wireless performance is equally impressive. The inclusion of Bluetooth LDAC support allows for high-resolution wireless audio transmission with compatible headphones and speakers. Compared to standard SBC or AAC codecs, LDAC preserves significantly more audio detail and provides a noticeably richer listening experience. During testing, wireless playback remains stable with a minimal latency and excellent sound quality. The built-in Wi-Fi connectivity transforms the F20 Pro from a traditional music player into a modern streaming device. Access to Spotify and Tidal means I can enjoy both my local music library and online streaming services without carrying multiple devices. Storage flexibility is another area where the F20 Pro excels. The ability to expand storage up to 1 TB is a major advantage for collectors with large music libraries. The build quality feels premium and durable. The black finish gives the player a professional appearance, while the physical controls are responsive and easy to use. The user interface is intuitive, making a navigation through playlists, albums, and streaming services straightforward, even for users new to dedicated DAPCs. Overall, my experience with the F20 Pro Hi-Fi music player has been outstanding. It is really highly recommended.